Alright guys, we're back here with the car and it's time to take it off. Unfortunately, this side failed pretty bad. I was driving and I saw this little flap out my window and I was like, guess I'll take it off now. And I got it out of the car. Boom. This whole side is just blown up, and might be because I went too fast on the highway. Can't say for sure. That was in Mexico. The weather's different there, so you know how it goes. That's what we're doing today. Honestly, I can't believe how well this held up with Scotch tape and a $1 paper roll from the dollar store or Michael's. Same thing, it's still $1. The only other issue we had, and this is on both sides, oddly enough, on the same spot, is right here, just tore. It didn't rip off, but it just tore. This is the bad right here, so it might have something to do with that, but I don't think so. And this is that other side. This one actually tore off, but here's the flag vinyl, so it might have something to do with it. Yeah, let's dig into this. And boy, do I need to wash my car. We'll probably do that after we take it off. It's just been like this for a couple days. So I think all the rain just finally got to the tape adhesive and peeled it off, because the tape itself is not torn or anything. Like, even from underneath the panels, it tore off. So I think all that just got really soft. Just gave way. Like, all this is there when it was tucked like that. So what I'm going to do is probably start in the middle and peel outward, just to get all the little tape edges that are between panels. And if that doesn't work, I'll spray it down with a hose, maybe with a pressure washer, and try to remove it like that. We'll start there. Throw everything in this box, and if it looks familiar as in my last video, and yes, he loves it. Alright, so did this whole side, and paint doesn't really look bad. It's just kind of dirty. There's like some dirt that settled in weird areas, so we'll have to wash that for sure. But this is what I didn't want. The tape's just kind of splitting right at the edge. GoPro tough. We could solve that with a heat gun, more water, or we could wait. I don't think waiting is the right answer, because then it'll be dry and hard, and nobody wants that.
That's what she said.
Oh, I also did discover that it peeled out the gas cap. Like, this whole thing was loose, I guess, for a while. But yeah. Ooh. Wow, look at that. It's pretty neat. I'm a packaging major, so I know paper stuff. Alright, so this is going to be awful, but if you can tell, the tape line went right there. The little snowflakes came off onto the tape. That's a separate layer. Who knew? Not me. Yeah, this all, I don't know. I might just leave it and get it, but I don't want to forget about all the little pieces that I miss, because then I'll forget about them and not find them. Ooh. It's funny that this actually acted like a wrap when it got wet, because some wraps you like spray it down with some liquid, I don't know if it's water or whatnot, and then you squeegee it out and then it dries, and it's, but this bottom layer, I guess, acts just like that, because it, once it gets wet, it's nice and pliable. Alright, that came off pretty easy. There's only a couple things, like paper bits right here, and there's a tape piece here, one right here, one here, and then one here. These are pretty hard to get, so I don't know. I'm gonna forget about those if I don't know now. I want to say I'll use an X-Acto blade, but I want to try a heat gun first, just because that's not a sharp object around the car. And if you're offended that oh, it's gonna ruin the paint. Oh, you're scratching the paint, picking the tape up. Oh, all this paper chemicals is gonna ruin the paint in 5 years. This car didn't have good paint when it came to me. There's overspray right here. There's overspray in the middle of the roof. Like, the whole roof, the whole middle. There's overspray right under this spoiler right here. There's like fogginess right here. Like, yeah, I'm gonna grab the heat gun. I'm gonna forget about these if I don't do it now, so. Well, one of these pieces came off easy, so. Alright, so here's progress so far, but I just had an idea. I'm just trying to give you all the best angle on this paint bucket. Always trying to give you the best angle. But I'm just gonna put you on my head because that's how I'm gonna see everything, like this. So I'm gonna go grab my head mount. Let's get it. Boom. This is going on a lot quicker than putting it on. But yeah, see, look at this overspray. I don't really care about getting it fixed. It's under the spoiler at all times, so. What overspray? You don't ever see it. Hey. I'll do this, and this, and then the other side. Guys, look, it's a dog vlog. We know. She hates cameras. You wanna go in? Huh? You wanna go in? Alright, let's go in. Oh. She's old, we have to carry her up the steps. Back to this. Alright, we got one side done. Almost. I don't know how to do this. There's no good way to tear into this. Also, if you're wondering why I'm working like back to front, kind of like I'm just peeling it back here and forward, just because I overlaid the tape in such a way that the first piece overlaps the second piece because I taped it this way. Yeah, so it's easier to just peel off all the pieces at once versus peeling it and tearing and peeling and tearing. But yeah, I might do the other side because the front has all the like the heavy duty packaging tape when I ran out. So this side should be a whole lot easier. All this is the heavy duty tape. We'll start here. Alright, we got the front fender and the door done and all the little pieces that are in the nooks and crannies off. All this white stuff, I don't know what it is. It's some paper, but it comes off. So that'll all be gone when you wash the car. I really don't think this did any damage to the paint at all. It's an old wives' tale or something, I don't know. Really dirty in the fenders, imagine that. But yeah, all this dirt and stuff. Oh, well, we might have found the first damage when we washed the car. I think that's just residue. I don't think it's anything. That's all dirt. It'll clean up when we wash it. Alright, and that's that side. That took a little bit longer. Yeah, so I believe we just have the hood left. Nope, we got the hood and this piece. I don't want to deal with this anymore. It looks cool, but it being wet and all, I don't really want to deal with it. I'll probably start here, put the hood down and do the hood. We're done. We're done. All these lines are like wet and dry spots. That'll go away. Again, I need to wash it all. This will be a 2-day video because it's nighttime. I'll wash it tomorrow morning and then that'll be that. If I could say one thing, it's don't use packing tape, scotch tape. It's way easier to come off, especially wet. And if it doesn't rain while it's on, then you can just wash your car to spray it down and it'll come off easy. Soon, I'm gonna peel those off. Stay tuned for that. I don't know what color will come, but it won't be gold and it won't be copper. All right, I do need to wash this car, but we have to go to the post office. I gotta mail some things out I sold on eBay and gotta mail some things out I'm returning from Amazon. But this is what it's like dry. It's a lot of dirt. I might just spray it down real quick just to get everything off, but I mean, it comes off. Got some leftover tape right there. Man, I really need to wax this thing because oof. On to the post office. Alright, just got back from the post office. It was one of those times because, you know, gotta take forever with everything. We need like a full-on detail. So if you can guess, I didn't wash my car yesterday. Welcome to day 3 of washing a car with me. Also, in case you couldn't tell, it is 70 degrees and it is January 1st. So, welcome to South Carolina. That can't be good. Alright, guess I'll do this the old-fashioned way.
finally washed it. So now I just get a leaf blower and I dry it off because towels, that's too much. And I don't have enough towels either. Sorry, neighbors. I always hate doing it because it makes so much noise. Alright, so we might have a problem. The dip is starting to peel in the back here. Time for a new color. Let me know what I should do. That worked pretty well. I still need the clay bar and wax it, but I'm gonna go back to school in a week, so I might as well just wait till I get up there. Time to spray wheels with just some brake cleaner. I want to give a shout out to Patterson Car Care. But I also wanted to dry the car just so I could do this, because last time I did it while the wheels were wet and I don't think it worked as well as it could. So if you're thinking to yourself, didn't you just dry the car and now you have to wash this off? I do. Did I also tell you I'm bad at planning things? Crikey. It's a wild Harley. Alright, that's been about. I'm gonna do my best not to get any of the water. Ooh, look at all that. Get any of this water on the car, because I really don't want to dry it. Oh, I forgot to scrub the wheels. You should probably scrub the wheels, especially with plastic dip. I mean, this dip's coming off anyway, but we'll just ignore this wheel. This wheel wasn't ever, you never washed that one. And let's do the back. You know that commercial, Flash? Well, now get ready for brush. Don't worry, I'm not gonna just use it like this. I'm gonna rinse it off, don't worry. Alright, now I'm gonna use it like this. My card filled up. Clean wheels. As I was saying, Optimum Care Detailing did them, and you just spray them off and everything will come off. But I'm just indecisive, and I like a lot of colors, so plastic dip's a good way to just try them out. And so far, I like copper. Would not be opposed as to get. Here we have the great dog. It's deaf, so it doesn't know we're here, but it's still dangerous. Oh, she's getting up. She got up. Let's see what she does. We've been spotted. Oh, right. We have to. It's done, and thus ends my wrapping video, or my unwrapping video. Is this even an unboxing? Overall, I'd give this mod, I'd probably give it an overall 7 out of 10 the way I did it. I'll probably do it next year. I'll probably do everything. I know how much to get now. Matt, make sure you do it next year, man. It's getting lonely out here just by myself, and people think I'm weird or I'm the only one that got a present. I don't know. Soon, I'll tint these, maybe get a little surround to make them look even darker. I really want to get rid of this, make it flush. And also a wicker bill or another spoiler. I don't know yet. The next video that's gonna come out is I took my grandma for a ride in this. Pretty fun. Probably come out 2 days after I put this up. I already edited it, but I want to like space it out so I don't upload everything at once and just here's everything and then it just kind of dies down. I want to show YouTube that I am actually active. So yeah.